Welcome to Pricing Penguin's CRM Dashboard Walkthrough. In your dashboard, you'll have all of your potential leads listed, where you can view and then call them. Click the phone number to call them directly from your browser to see more, and then add notes. Press the expand icon on the right of their section. Add call details and information relevant after or during the call. You can then change the lead status depending on the call outcome and arrange a callback time to set in your dashboard. Once you've done that, make sure to click Save so the updates are synced in the platform, otherwise they'll be lost. If a tradesperson is interested but not able to talk at that time, then you can send them an email which is pre-written with all package details and prices, along with more information. This also goes for if you haven't heard from them or want to give them a nudge with a follow-up email. You can choose one of our pre-written emails that can be sent at a click of a button, all personalized to the tradesperson and your name. To add them to the system and sign them up, click the contractor icon to take you through the sign-up process. Click the Convert from Lead to autofill their information. Some details will be pre-filled, but just complete any missing ones and click Next. To then sign them up, select a plan from the list of options, choosing between the monthly or yearly options as well. Then fill in the cardholder name, address, and postcode, along with card details. If you want to give them discount or have agreed for it, put in the discount code and validate. Press Next, and then make sure that all their details are correctly filled in before clicking the Create and Send Invite button. Add some of their job options to help them be seen, and then save their profile. They're live and ready to start receiving leads, and have already been sent an automated welcome and set password email. They can then log in and add a description, their logo, and other details to help improve their profile. Don't sell features, sell the outcome. Pre-qualified leads, steady job flow, higher close rate. We support the whole trades industry, from builders to tree surgeons. We cover it. Their biggest problem is the quoting process. Working evenings only to lose them to others or get ghosted. Start with their pain, asking how often they get asked for quotes from people with no real budget, wasting their time. Then position Pricing Penguin as the solution to those pain points. How leads already understand their budget and won't have a shock, giving them better quality leads that won't waste their time. Keep it simple. They get sent a job inquiry with all the customer details attached so they can contact them directly. Confidence closes deals. Be clear, be direct, and don't over-explain. Tell them what they want to hear. Turn no's into yes. This doesn't replace word-of-mouth referrals, it just adds to it and fills the quiet gaps. You don't have to pay per lead with us. It is a simple, flat-rate fee, regardless of the number of leads, giving you people that already understand the potential cost. We are different to most platforms. You and you alone get the job. There's no race against other tradespeople. I can send you all the information you need now. Is there any other questions you might have, and we can talk in a couple days' time? Never leave a call open-ended. Either try and close the deal or arrange a time to call back. Never accept, "I'll let you know." More calls equals more conversations, and more conversations equals more sales. Stay consistent every day. You're not selling, you're helping them win more work. You work with them to solve a problem and believe in the product. Remember, simple process, real value, high conversion. Check your sales handbook for more info and a sample sales script to try. The future of construction is in your hands. Welcome to the team. Log into your CRM and start converting those leads.